Walmart app login problem. After an update usually happens because the app session, saved account information, app data, or connection between the app and your account needs to be refreshed. By the end, you'll know the steps to fix Walmart app login issues after an update and what information to check before contacting support. Start by closing the Walmart app completely and opening it again. A new app session can fix temporary login problems caused by an update. Next, check that you are using the correct email address or account details. Many login issues happen when someone tries to access a different Walmart account than the one connected to their orders, payments, or saved information. If your password is not working, reset it through the Walmart login screen. Use the email address connected to your Walmart account and follow the password recovery steps. After resetting your password, make sure you are entering the updated login information instead of an older saved password stored on your device. You should also check your internet connection. A weak connection can prevent the app from completing the login process, even when your account information is correct. If the problem continues, update the Walmart app again through your device's app store. App updates can include fixes for login problems and account connection issues. Another step is removing and reinstalling the Walmart app. This clears the existing app installation and gives you a fresh version of the app. Before reinstalling, make sure you know your Walmart account login details because you will need them again. If you use saved passwords or autofill, check that your device is not entering old information automatically. Delete the saved login details and enter your current information manually. If you still cannot access your account, collect the details before contacting Walmart support. Write down the error message, the device you are using, the app version if available, and when the login problem started. Support can review the issue more effectively when you provide the exact steps that caused the problem. The main points are simple. First, refresh the Walmart app and verify your account details. Second, reset your password or reinstall the app if the problem continues. Third, provide clear error information when contacting support. Your next step is to restart the app, check your login details, and test your account access again. If this guide helped you fix your Walmart app login issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides.